Welcome back to my channel. So, we're back again and again and again. So, another topic na naman ang i-discuss ni Ma'am Ja. So, for today, pag-uusapan natin ang operations on rational algebraic expressions. So, dito, we will add, subtract, multiply, and divide rational algebraic expressions. So, itong video has two parts. Unahin muna natin yung addition and subtraction. Then later, we will have multiplication and division. So, to begin with, addition and subtraction of rational algebraic expressions. So, meron tayong one rule or one simplest rule na kailangan tandaan dyan. You have to check first the denominator. So, why do we have to check the denominator? Kasi, dalawa lang yan. Parehas sila ng denominator, so we just have to copy the denominator and then solve sa numerator. Simplify lang yung numerator. Tapos yung isa, if they do not have the same denominator, so isosolve pa natin yung LCD para magkaroon tayo ng equivalent fractions. Okay? And then, after natin ma-solve yun, pwede na ulit tayo mag-proceed sa numerator wherein we have to simplify, combine like terms, and then, if possible, get the lowest term. Okay? So, let us begin. So, say for example, you are asked to find the sum of 3 over 6b and 1 over 6b. Okay? So, say for example, we have this given. So, una, number 1, you have to check the denominator. So, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina. If the denominator has the same value or term or polynomial or binomial or monomial, so basta pareha sila ng denominator, so we can proceed with step number 2. Okay? So since parehas tayo ng denominator dito, step number 2, if the same, copy the denominator. Okay? So, denominator natin dito will be 6b. Okay? And then, we can now solve for step 3. So, solve and simplify. Okay? So, since ang hinihingi is sum, so ang operation natin is addition. So, this will be 3 plus 1. Okay? And 3 plus 1 is actually 4 over 6b. And as I told you sa inyo kanina, if possible, i-lowest term natin. So in this case, so pwede natin i-simplify si 4 and 6b. So, divisible yan parehas kay 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6b divided by 2 is 3b. So, therefore, the sum of 3 over 6b and 1 over 6b is 3 over 3b. Okay? Naiintindihan ba? So, that would be our first example. So, let's have another. Add x over x squared minus 4 and 2 over x squared minus 4. So, you are asked to add x over x squared minus 4 and 2 over x squared minus 4. So, again, balik tayo sa rules. Number 1, check the denominator. Parehas ba? Yes po, parehas. So, step 2, if they are the same, copy the denominator. So, we have here x squared minus 4. Next, we may now proceed sa addition ng ating numerator. So, that would be x plus, since that is add, x plus 2. Okay? Are we done? Actually, we're not yet done. Diba? Kapag may nakita kayong factorable, ifo-factored out nyo yun. Para mas ma-simplify natin yung terms. So, since ang hinihingi lagi sa atin is the simplest form, so observe nyo muna if that is factorable or not. And since yung given natin is factorable, which one? Itong denominator natin. Diba? That is the difference of two squares. So, kapag yan ay finactor, last topic, yan ang topic natin. Last time, yan ang topic natin. So, yan. Ang factored form niya is x plus 2 times x minus 2. And then, on the numerator, we have x plus 2. And, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede na natin i-cancel si x plus 2 both sa numerator and denominator. So, cancel out na natin yan. So, matitira is 1 over x minus 2. And that will be our sum. Sum ng x over x minus 2 and 2 over x squared minus 2. Naiintindihan ba? So, let's have last example. What if magkaiba ang ating denominator? So, what are we going to do? Ang magkaiba klase ang ating denominator, so ito yung medyo matrabaho. I-apply natin dito yung mga natutunan natin sa factoring, sa laws of exponents, okay? So, say for example, ang ating given, you are asked to find the sum 6 over x squared minus 4 plus 2 over x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay? Suppose yan yung given natin. So, paano natin sisimulan yan? So, check the denominator. Magkaiba po. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-apply yung copy the denominator since magkaiba. Anong gagawin natin? So, ang gagawin natin dito, so we have to find the equivalent fraction. Paano natin sisimulan yan? So, una, check nyo muna yung denominator natin if factorable. Okay? Etong x squared minus 4 is actually some difference of two squares. Tama? So, pag pinactor natin yan, that would be x plus 2 times x minus 2. And then, we have here the numerator na 6. And then, sa kabila, we have here 2. Yung denominator natin is also factorable. Pag pinactor natin yan, apply natin yung factoring. Factor ni x squared is xx. Factor ni 6 is 2 and 3 para lumabas si 5. Diba? So, if we use 2 and 3 para lumabas si 5, take a look, dapat negative 5x. So, dapat ito parehas negative since yung last term natin is positive 6. So, kung check nyo yan, so 3 times x is negative 3x, negative 2x. So, combine negative 3x and negative 2x, that will be negative 5x. Negative 2 times negative 3, positive 6. So, tama yung factored form natin. And then, next, kunin natin ang LCD. Okay? Ang magiging LCD natin dyan ay yung mga nasa denominator natin. So, since naka-factored form na yan, so, ang ating mga LCD would be the quantity of x plus 2, the quantity of x minus 2, and x minus 3. So, lahat ng naka-quantity, yun yung magiging factor natin. And then, dito, since sila yung ating LCD, so yun ang magiging denominator na natin. Naka-factored form na. Then, next, what's next? So, ito, divide times. Yun lang ang rule ha. Divide times. So, x plus 2 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 divide by x plus 2 times x minus 2. So, in this case, cancel na to. Tama? Etong dalawa yun, makakancel na. Ang matitira sa kanya, x minus 3. So, that will be multiply 6 times x minus 3. Susundan ba? Next. Plus. Dito naman. X minus 2 and x minus 3. So, i-divide natin siya doon. So, makakancel na si x minus 2 tsaka si x minus 3. Tama? So, itong dalawa cancel out na yan. Matitira si x plus 2. So, that would be 2 times x plus 2. Okay? Susundan. Next, since na-simplify na natin, so distribute na natin yung numerator. So, 6 times x, 6x. 6 times negative 3, negative 18. Plus 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 2, 4. Tama? Over our x plus 2, x minus 2, and x minus 3. Okay? And then, combine like terms. So, ang ka-like term ni 6x ay si 2x. So, 6x plus 2x, that would be 8x. Okay? Negative 18 plus 14. Same constant ng dalawa. Combine na natin. That would be negative 14. Tama? All over x plus 2, x minus 2, and x minus 3. Okay? Next. Pwede pa ba yan, ma'am? Pwede pa. Simplify pa natin yan. Okay? I-factored out natin si 2. Tama? So, we have here 2 times, ano to? 4x minus 7 all over x plus 2, x minus 2, x minus 3. And this is already our final answer. Kapag wala na kayo nakikita na pwedeng i-cancel, final answer na natin yan. So, okay na yan. Okay? Naintindihan ba? Okay, very good. Now, let's proceed with subtraction. Actually, sa subtraction, i-relate lang natin siya sa addition. Check the denominator. Kung same sila denominator, copy lang din. And then, this time, magma-minus ka naman. Or magsusubtract ka naman. Say, for example, we have 4x plus 1 all over x plus 6 minus 2x minus 8 all over x plus 6. Again, check ulit yung ating denominator. Since parehas, copy yan. Tapos, parehas naman ang ating denominator, so proceed na tayo sa numerator. So, i-rewrite natin para hindi nakakalito. So, 4x plus 1 minus the quantity of 2x minus 8. Okay? So, you have to put, hindi nyo pwede idiretso na minus 2x minus 8. Okay? Magkakagulo kayo dyan. So, lagyan nyo muna ng quantity yan. And then, tsaka natin, i-proceed, ayusin natin, distribute natin si negative. Okay? So, pag dinistribute natin yan si negative, negative times 2x, negative 2x. So, negative times negative 8, positive 8. So, kung kaninang diniretso nyo yan na walang parenthesis, so, diba, magkaiba sila. Yung positive 8 natin, dapat, kung hindi nyo nilagyan ng parenthesis at diniretso nyo ng sulat, magiging ano yan? Still negative 8, which is wrong. Okay? And then, denominator, x plus 6. Yan. Usual, combine like terms. Okay? Rule ng addition, combine like terms. Pag magkaiba ng sign, subtract. Then, 4x minus 2x will be 2x. Tama? 1 plus 8 would be 9. Susundan. And then, we have here x plus 6. May makakancel pa ba dito? May masisimplify pa ba tayo? Okay, itong numerator natin, wala na siyang factor. So, hindi na natin mapafactored out siya. So, this will be our final answer. Gets? For example, we have 5 over 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 minus 3 over 2x squared minus 11x plus 5. So, sundan nyo yung process para hindi kayo malito. So, again, observe, magkaiba tayo ng denominator, but then, pwedeng i-factor yung parehas. Okay? So, i-factor natin yan. Ang factored form nan is 2x minus 1 times x plus 3. Tama? So, positive 2x. So, ang factored form niya is 5 over 2x minus 1 times x plus 3. So, kung i-check natin yan, so that is negative x. And then, we have here 6x. So, kapag kinuha middle term, 5x. So, tama. Okay? And then, negative 3. So, burahin lang natin. And then, sa kabila, we have here ang factored form nan. If you do the trial and error, kung nahirapan kayo, so we can have 2x minus 1 and x minus 5. Okay? That would be negative x and negative 10. Tama? So, makukuha natin negative 11x. And then, positive 5. Yan. Since na-factored form na natin siya, so let us now get the LCD. LCD natin is 2x minus 1, x plus 3, and x minus 5. Although si 2x minus 1, dalawang beses lumabas dito sa kabila, considered 1 na rin yan. Considered as 1 na yan. And then, so therefore, our denominator will be the following. And then, ayan. Divide, multiply lang tayo. So, 2x minus 1, x plus 3. Actually, makakancel na yan. Dito. Diba? So, matitira is x minus 5. So, that will be 5 times x minus 5. Minus. So, ito, 2x minus 1, cancel na dito. X minus 5, cancel na doon. Matitira si x plus 3. So, x plus 3 times 3. So, that will be 3 times x plus 3. And then, after that, distribute natin. So, 5x minus 25. Negative 3x minus 9 over 2x minus 1, x plus 3, x minus 5. And then, combine like terms. So, that would be 2x, negative 25 minus 9, that would be negative 34, all over 2x minus 1, x plus 3, and x minus 5. Kita pa ba? Yan. And then, diba? Kung yan tinignan nyo lang, malilito talaga kayo. Since maliit lang yung space natin. However, kahit pa maliit yan, tama ang ating sagot. So, factored natin to. So, si 2, labas natin. That would be x minus 17. Tama? 17 times 2, 34. And then, 2x minus 1. X plus 3. X minus 5. And since wala na tayong makakancel dyan. So, that would be our final answer. 2 times x minus 17 all over 2x minus 1, x plus 3, and x minus 5. Actually, minsan, ito tinatanggap na to. Since hindi na naman siya factorable. However, kailangan lang talaga natin i-factored form pa ulit natin siya or simplify pa natin. Kasi baka meron tayong na-skip. Baka meron tayong makakancel pa. Diba? It's better than we tried kesa hindi. Diba? Kesa pagsisiyan natin, ay sayang hindi ko na-factored out, meron pa pala. So, ibig sabihin, considered wrong na yung answer nyo kasi hindi naka-simplest form. So, in this case, nung pinactor na natin siya, wala pa rin naman na-cancel. So, okay na rin yan. Okay? So, that's it for today. So, I hope may natutunan. So, if you watch until the end, so please comment, I love math. Diba? Konting favor lang. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you!